Oh, hello, and welcome to another telekinesis video. Today we're going to talk about push telekinesis. What is push telekinesis? It's basically you use telekinesis, but only for a very small moment. You're not using telekinesis like constantly. You're pushing it once, and when you push it once, it has a very explosive effect. Meaning, when I usually do telekinesis, it's just rolling back and forth very slowly. But when you do push telekinesis, you can push very heavy objects. And how do you do this? Remember when I told you about the breathing technique? You have to breathe in 100% and breathe out 50%. And you keep doing that to basically to charge your telekinetic energy. And through meditation, you can keep this energy up. Meaning you're not doing this while you do telekinesis, because like I said, you're just charging, and with one push you're releasing this energy. So that means that you're doing this breathing for a while, and then at some point you meditate. You just think about keeping this energy in your body, and then with one shot you release it and you explode, and then the object is going to fly away. And the difference to actual telekinesis is that I always talk about how important the relationship to the object is. And like this pen, for example, I told you before, this pen is like a friend to me. We've been together for a very long time. It's more than a friend. It's like family. I love this pen so much, and this is why this pen works for me when I do telekinesis. So well. And but when you love somebody so much that you also can hate this person, or in that case object, and this hatred is what I'm using for push telekinesis. So I built up all the frustration and all this anger I have towards this object, and meditate and breathe, and then on one shot I just shoot it out and I push it away. And like I said, that way you can push very, very heavy objects. But for now I'm just going to show you how I do that with this pen, because like I said, it's pretty easy for me. And so I'm just going to breathe, and I'm going to focus on my anger towards the object. Okay, so I'm just breathing for now. Give me a second. Remember, inhale 100%, exhale 50%. I feel the energy inside my body. And that way I can use push telekinesis. I build up the energy, and then on one shot I just released it. And now I'm gonna show you how to do that on a heavy object. I'm just gonna walk around here in the park and just find like a heavier object, and I'll show you how I can do it with that. So we found a heavier object. I'm gonna talk to the trash can real quick to build this relationship, because it was very easy with a pen, because we have a relationship already. I don't know this trash can, I don't know its feelings or its experience or anything about its life, so I'm going to talk to it really quick, and that could take a second, but then I'm going to do telekinesis, the push telekinesis on this trash can. Okay, you can turn the camera off. Thank you so much for watching. And don't worry about the trash can. I talked to the trash can afterwards. It's not mad at me. We're still friends. But yeah, I hope you learned a little bit about what push telekinesis is, and be very careful when you do that at home. Don't break anything. and never ever use it against other people. If I ever hear about that somebody use it against somebody else, I will stop doing videos, so be aware of that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and have a good day.